Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Saurabh Kumar, solving LeetCode problems every day with you. Okay, let's start with today's problem. So here we have problem number 143 of LeetCode, reorder list. We are given a list. Let's go directly to the example so that we can understand this problem. So here we have 1, 2, 3, 4 as a list. We need to reorder the list so that L0 is Ln, L1 is connected to Ln minus 1. Okay, so we understood. So it's look like this half of the linked list and this half of the linked list, we need to combine it together, right? So something like this. If we reverse the second half of the linked list and then one by one connects every node, then we'll get the answer, I guess, right? So let's quickly do a dry run of what we have thought, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we'll reach the center here. We'll reverse the second half. So 5, 4 null, 1, 2, 3 and null. 1 will connect to 5, 5 will connect to 2, 2 will connect to 3 null, and 4 will connect to null. Now 1, 5, 2, 3 null. Okay, so now our next will, now 2 will connect to 4, 4 will connect to 3, 3 will connect to null. And now this is null, so our solution is done. So 1, 5, 2, 4, 3. Okay. I think this looks good. So we'll start with the code. So first we'll check the basic cases here. First thing, if our head is null pointer, right? If our head is null pointer, or if we only have one node, right? So if head next is equal to null pointer, then we are going to return. And if there is only one node, or if there is no node, so in that case we don't need to link anything to anything, right? We don't need to reorder anything because it only contains of one node, right? So now, as discussed, right, first we will reach to the center of the linked list. Okay, so for that we are going to use slow pointer, fast pointer thing. Okay, so let's define this, right? So we'll just node pointer slow equals to head, next node pointer fast equals to that as well. Okay. We will increment this loop till fast next is there, and then fast next is there. Okay, so what condition we are checking is, so suppose my fast is here. I'll check if 2 nodes after my first, where my fast is, it should be there. So for example, if my fast is at 1, I will only move if there is a node at 3, there is some value at 3. So if I move my fast here, I'll have to again check. So see, if I check, so let's do it first here. Slow will move to slow next, and fast will equal to fast next, right? Okay, now fast will become 3 and slow will become 2. Again we'll check fast next, yes, it's there. 3, 4 is there, right? Fast next, no, fast next is null pointer, so this loop will break, right? Now after that, what we need, so let's just comment it down what we are doing actually, right? So okay, so we are just find the middle element of the, or find the middle element of the list. Okay. Then now, since we have found so slow is pointing to the middle element. So for even cases, it's pointing to 2. For odd cases, it is pointing to 3, the center element, right? Now we're just going to reverse the second part of the list, which is in our case 3, 4 here, and here we have 4 and 5 as the second part. So we are going to reverse that list. So how we are going to reverse this? We'll use the same logic of reversing the complete linked list, but we'll start from slow pointer, right? So what we'll do is, for let's reverse the second half the list. Okay, so what will be the first pointer or starting pointer to the second half of the list? That will be next of slow, right? So let's store that into a current pointer, right? List node pointer current equals to slow next of slow, and let's store one pointer which we always use to find the to use in the reversing the linked list. So right, previous will point to null pointer right now. Now the base same logic for reversing the linked list. So while current is not equals to null pointer, what we will do is we will we'll have another node list pointer next. In this we'll store the next of the current pointer. So current next will store in the next. Now current next will let it point to the previous, and previous will become current, and current will become next. And this is the reversing the linked list. Now what we'll do is since our slow was here, and in this case at 2, we will just terminate our list, right? Terminate our first list. Okay, so slow next will make it point to null pointer. So now our 1 2 null pointer, 4 3 null pointer, 1 2 3 null pointer, 4 5 null pointer. Okay, yeah, so we are good. Now is the main part, right? Now we'll merge both of the linked lists, right? Now we have 2 linked lists. Now we'll merge it both, right? So merge the first half and the reversed second half. Okay, so let's start it by creating 2 pointers. Sorry, this node pointer p1 will contain head. This node pointer p2 will contain our previous, right? And now while any of the pointer is not null, while p1 not equals to null pointer, and then p2 not equals to null pointer, what we'll do is we'll solve this. So what we'll do is we'll store next of both the pointer. So since 5 is our previous, and sorry, 5 is our p1 is our 1 in this, and p2 is 5 right now. We'll store the next of both of them in some container or some list node. So list node pointer next one, let's store p1 next. Similarly, we'll store the next of second pointer as well. Here we go. We have stored the next of second pointer. Now what we'll do is, now we want p1 to point at p2. So p1 next will point to p2. p2 next will point to p1's next, which is right now is next one. So now p2 next will point to next one. Okay, and same, p1 will become next one, and p2 will become next 2. I think this will cover. Okay, let's see. Okay, I think that should do. Let's run and okay. So here our test case are passed. So let's just submit it and see if it's running fine. So yeah, it is like it beats 98.75% of people. So I think it's fine. Our solution is good. Okay guys, we are done with the problem. Let's solve the problem tomorrow as well. Happy LeetCoding. Goodbye. Thank you.